So Dion Sanders said he never jacked off. And I believe him. God-fearing man. Great father. Never jacked off. Must be the money. Must be the money. I mean, he was prime time. He went to professional baseball out of high school. It must be the money. He's always had money. And when he wasn't a professional, he was probably the greatest athlete in his school. Dual athlete, of course. Recognized in his city for his accomplishments. So he's always had a little recognition and a little notoriety. And with that said, they gonna come flocking, dog. Come on, you know they gonna flock to it. So I can believe him. I'll believe him if he told me that he never wore a condom. I would believe him. I would believe Prime if he said, bruh, I have never not nutted in a bitch. If he said, if I don't want to get her pregnant, I tell her, baby girl, you're going to have to swallow this one. I would believe him. Because that's Prime. Believe a motherfucker. What? I believe him. Run for president. So damn believable. But I think, honest to goodness, he has never jacked off in his life. And like I said, if he probably said, I never have not come on a woman. You know, sometimes if she got fucked up teeth, I'll just come on her belly button. I believe Prime to have outstanding success when it comes to his life. Now, everybody has ups and downs, hiccups and bullshit, but he's had success, especially with notoriety, fame, publicity, and attractiveness when it comes to the opposite sex. So, and plus he been having money since been having money. Nigga, you gotta know about that.